Events like this have burgeoned early-stage startups, some of which have gone on to receive funding, and others have gone even further to become success stories. This is where Aftership's co-founders met, built a prototype in just 48 hours, and won the competition.
Aftership, we define the shipping service. There's no need to tracking number for you to track your package. It's simple because we will help the online merchant to track their package and send the notification to their customer directly.
I'm Andrew. So my background, I work for an IT consulting firm at Stanford as a business consultant, and I work as a sales and marketing and PRO for some small companies.
I'm Dante. I'm responsible for the system design and implementations.
Actually, I'm a programmer, but I run my online store. So basically, I can define myself as half programmer and half marketing guy.
Actually, all the people in Hong Kong read this newspaper. It's the mainstream newspapers, and they even make a video of us telling about story. So they're also focusing on 3. They call us 3 idiots. Why?
Because we have to deal with a large amount of tracking number daily, so we have to find a best and efficient solutions to tackle that problems.
Dante, he is a purely technical guy. Andrew, he's a purely technical marketing guy, which means those technical guys, they cannot talk to each other because one talk marketing, one talk programming.
In San Francisco, it's so common to meet startup people, but in Hong Kong, when you talk about startups, they thought about, oh, why you quit your job? Why are you doing these stupid things? Why don't you just do the same things other people do? Why don't you just go to the bank? So I think to many people, we are 3 idiots.
Sometimes I can hear Dante have some complaint, Andrew don't understand, so I will translate it to Andrew. And Andrew, sometimes he don't understand what Dante said, so I help him to translate. So it's pretty awesome because I can know both their story.
Right now, when you order something online, you will receive a tracking number. So this tracking number is actually the online merchant sent to you, for you to track where is your package. So everything is customer driven. You have to do it yourself to find where it is.
The customer is so often to ask, where is my package? Some of them, they just forget. Some of them, they don't know how to track. And some of them, they know how to track, but they just don't want to. They just email us to ask, where's my package? So here's the problem. Both the customer and the online store, they don't want to use the tracking number. So why are we still using the tracking number nowadays?
Even though a merchant will diligently pack up the goods and ship them off as quickly as he can to his customers, it is inevitable that in a short amount of time, his inbox will be flooded with emails from customers asking about the status of their packages.
70% of the email is asking the same question. Where's my order? Where's my package? Do you ship out my order? They use different wording, but asking the same thing. Where's my order?
The merchant has no choice but to go ahead and track the package with the courier service that he used. Then, to cut and paste the information in an email to his customer, assuring him that the package is indeed on its way.
It's very time consuming. You have to click here and there and spend so much time to do it.
It becomes especially tedious to repeat this with FedEx, UPS, and every other courier service out there.
So what Aftership do is to remove this tracking number from the customers, so customers don't need to remember it anymore, while the online merchants will keep informing you where is the package through SMS, Twitter, or email.
With Aftership, all the merchant needs to do is log into a website with a unique login ID and password issued to him by the company. As soon as he's done that, he opens up a screen which gives him the full status of all the packages he has sent using all the different courier services available to him. The end customer receives an email or a tweet telling her that her package is indeed on its way or that it has already been delivered.
So these are our logo and name, Aftership. So you see there's an orange box, which is a dialog box and also a message box. And inside there is a package. So it's actually really tell you where is your package, in which location. And the name Aftership, it tells you, it means we provide a better service after shippings for online merchants and online store.
In order to have more manpower, we need more funding. Especially in Hong Kong, we need to hire some smart guy. That's why we need funding to make sure that we can continue to pay for the salary. And the second thing is we need to some networking which can help us to spread our product to all over the world. That's why we need to go to a different conference, like the launch conference in San Francisco and the Demo Asia in Singapore, so that to make all the people in the world, we make this brilliant product, and hopefully you will like it and then you can try it.
Very interesting concept. What makes your team, what makes you believe that your team is the team that can execute this best out of everyone else?
Because before this start, before this pitch, I'm using it on my own company already. And my customer is happy about that. And my other merchant, they are trying to ask me where can I use this service.
Every day we find new technical problems and we get hands on it and try to solve it. There's no more difficult things for my part in aftership.
I guess my question is are the existing companies like UPS or DHL, FedEx, aren't they able to already notify you by email? So you only have to type in that tracking number one time.
UPS and DHL, they offer similar service. But the problem is you need to have the magic number, I mean the tracking number first. Secondly, no matter how well UPS did, they cannot help the FedEx customer, they cannot help the Hong Kong Post customer. Because you will not release your service to other shipping company. Because you are the UPS, you only serve your customer. But we help all merchants.
I think after we go to the San Francisco, we can break even our business because the system is already made. What we need to do right now is recruit the merchant. Our target is 1,000 merchant. As long as there's 1,000 pay merchant to use our service, then we are break even for the developing cost.
Teddy and other entrepreneurs like him all dream big. The end game is always to find an exit.
Actually, we're thinking to partnership or we sell the product to the Amazon or the eBay because they are the biggest marketplace to sell the product online right now. And you know what? They don't have our features what Aftership is doing right now. So the easy thing is they can use our service, maybe just buy our company, and then we can help them to serve all their customers. We're talking about 100 million of customers every year.
Venture capitalists are coming to Hong Kong in large numbers to kick the tires on startups that they want to fund. The city is soon becoming known as Asia's startup center.